DUI in Palm Beach Gardens, here's what you need to know immediately. You have 10 days from the date of your arrest or citation to challenge the suspension of your license through the DMV. Now you have two choices here. If this is a first offense, you can waive your right to a formal review, enroll in DUI school, and get a hardship for work purposes. Or you can challenge the arrest, stop, and the suspension of your license through an administrative review hearing. So that is the first thing, and it has to be done within 10 days. Along those same lines, you're going to want to sit down and talk to an experienced DUI attorney, because he's going to help you, or she is going to help you determine what is the right path for you. Do you go for an administrative review hearing, or do you just get your hardship? Number two, understand that this is not going to be the end of the world. However, if you haven't acted quickly enough and you are not eligible to drive, you can't drive once your license is suspended until it either gets reinstated or you get a hardship. It's important to keep yourself out of jail, because if you got picked up driving on a suspended license for a DUI suspension, it's going to violate your pretrial release on a DUI charge. Now, it's also important to understand that your first court date, your arraignment date, it's not your trial. You don't have to have everything prepared for a trial, but it is very important to have the knowledge going into the arraignment, how the case is going to look. What you will want to do, again, is seek experienced counsel that handles DUIs, so that they can get body-worn camera, dash cam video, and review all the reports to see if the state can make a case against you. It's also helpful for that attorney to help evaluate whether or not you may or may not be eligible for Palm Beach County's DUI diversion. Now, if you want to know more about Palm Beach County's DUI diversion program, we have a webinar completely dedicated to this process on our website, and you can click the link below to get directly to that. The last thing that I'm going to tell you, not to freak out, this is a first offense, and it is serious, but it's not the end of the world. You're not the first person to get a DUI, and you won't be the last. So if this is a first offense where no one has been injured, no accident, and you made a mistake, there is help available to you. Now, if you want to know more, we have a guide, What You Must Know About Your DUI Before You Do Anything. It's available on our website. We have the webinar, and we also have a book that you can get, My Loved One's Been Arrested, What's Next?